Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare probiotic at home. Making your own probiotics is a rewarding process that allows you to control the ingredients and potency. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have all the knowledge to create delicious and healthy fermented foods. Get ready to boost your gut health with simple, natural methods right from your kitchen. It's easier than you think to start this beneficial journey. To begin, you'll need a few key items. Start with a clean 1-liter glass jar, a breathable cloth cover, and a rubber band. For ingredients, choose fresh, organic produce like cabbage for sauerkraut or milk for kefir. A starter culture, such as a kefir grain or a small amount of existing fermented food, is also crucial. Always ensure your equipment is thoroughly cleaned and sterilized to maintain a healthy environment for your probiotics. Now for the exciting part, fermentation. Combine your main ingredient, like shredded cabbage, with a small amount of salt and your starter culture in the clean glass jar. Press down firmly to remove air bubbles. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth and secure it with a rubber band. Place it in a cool, dark place, allowing it to ferment for 3 to 7 days. You'll notice bubbles and a pleasant, tangy aroma as the beneficial bacteria get to work. Once fermentation is complete, transfer your homemade probiotics to smaller, airtight containers and store them in the refrigerator. They will typically last for several weeks, continuing to provide their amazing health benefits. Regular consumption can significantly support your digestive health and boost your immune system. It's a simple, natural way to feel better every day. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.